How to access Canva's AI Image Generator. Whether you prefer using the built-in Elements tab or exploring third-party apps. Here's how to do it both ways. Method 1. Using the Elements tab. Start by opening a new or existing design in Canva. On the left sidebar, click on Elements, then scroll down until you spot either the AI Image Generator or Magic Media option. The label may vary slightly. Select Create Your Own, and you'll be prompted to describe your vision, whether it's a futuristic cityscape or a whimsical illustration. Pick a style, e.g. photorealistic, watercolor, and an aspect ratio. Then hit Generate. In seconds, Canva's AI will bring your idea to life with unique, editable images. Method 2. Via third-party apps. If you want more specialized AI tools, head to the Apps section in the left sidebar, the puzzle piece icon. Here you can search for image generation apps. Once you've opened your chosen app, follow its prompts to type a detailed description of your desired image. Adjust any settings, e.g. art style, composition, and let the AI work its magic. The generated image will automatically import into your design, ready for tweaks or downloads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check more related videos in the description or click the one on this screen.